Yo man, I believe what A-Reece says. A-Reece, that man does not lie. A-Reece tells the truth. You know what I mean? Yeah, because it was the Ivyson show and they didn't want A-Reece to now outshine the guy who put on the show. They didn't want to put him on. That's what cats do in this business. It's like petty. It's like petty. You know what I mean? It's like so unnecessary. Like, you know, if they really wanted Reece to be on that show and they had really good intentions and he was late by accident, they would have said, okay, fine, do a song or two, at least let your fans who came to see you perform see you, you know, let's be cool about this. But then they decide, the parents, remember I told you about the parents, not the management, the parents, because it's old grey niggas, you know what I mean, who are the management. The parents said, nah, we're not gonna let A-Reece steal the show. And that's what happened to Reece, man, you know what I mean. And Reece is the type of guy who's not gonna kiss nobody's ass. He's not gonna say, man, I tried, I came, I was in the parking lot, you guys made me come out here, you used my name to advertise your show, to get people here, and at the end of the day, you treat me like shit. Not to say that he shouldn't have been late, that is unprofessional.